crore expenditure will become income in next round, and there will be infinite round, but we don't need to show, means we don't need to show all these round, all the, or you can say all infinite round, but you have to calculate, means only you will calculate total amount, means total, means increase in investment means total increase in investment means rupee 100 crore, and total increase in income is rupee 500 crore. How will you calculate this? You will calculate like this: k is equal to 1 divided by 1 minus MPC, and what is the value of MPC? 0.8, and you will solve this, you will get 5. And see, you will another formula of multiply k is equal to delta y divided by delta y. Delta y value of k is 5, and you want to calculate delta y, and delta is given here rupees 100 crore, and cross multiply, you will cross multiply, then you will get rupees 500 crore. And see, increase in consumption, then after this we have to find increase in consumption. See, what is the formula of MPC? This. What is the value of MPC? 0.8, and delta C means we have to find this, and delta y means 500 crore, that is equal to 400 crore. So I hope all of you have understood. Please pause the video and note down this. See, how will you explain this table? See, initially increase in investment of rupees 100 crore, which or results in increase in income, See, initially increase in investment rupees 100 crore and results in increase in income, of rupees 100 crore, See, after this, since MPC is 0.8. See, MPC is 0.8. So there will be increase in consumption. There will be increase in consumption of rupees 80 crore. This leads to an increase in income. Of rupees again 80 crore. So please pause the video and note down this. See, rupees 80 crore, this leads to, see, initially increase in investment of rupees 100 crore, results an increase in income of rupees 100 crore. Since MPC is 0.8, so there will be increase in consumption of rupees 80 crore. This leads to an increase in income, or you can say see here, this leads to an increase in income of rupees 80 crore, or you can say change in income. You can write here change in income of rupees 80 crore in next round. See, after this, expenditure of one person expenditure of one person is income of other person in economy. See, means this process of change in consumption, this process of change in consumption and change in income will continue. See, this process of change in consumption and change in income. This process of change in consumption and this process of change in income continues infinitely till change in consumption becomes zero. Change in consumption becomes zero. See, as change in consumption becomes zero, then change in income will become also zero. Or you can say like this, as when change in consumption becomes zero, then change in income will also become zero. So I hope all of you have understood explanation of this schedule. This schedule, we can say this table. See, so increase in investment of rupees 100 crore leads to an increase in income by rupees 500 crore. See, so I hope all of you have understood this working process of multiplier. First of all, you will make this type of table and you will show means numerical calculation of this table. Then after you will write this type of explanation. So I hope all of you have understood, and means after this your explanation will be completed. So my dear students, chapter number 8, income determination and multiplier. I hope all of you have understood what do you mean by income determination. Income determination means equilibrium level of income, or we can say equilibrium level of output, or we can say equilibrium level of employment. See, now there are two approaches to determine income determination: ADAS approach and saving and investment approach. You know that we have already discussed. After this means we have discussed what do you mean by multiplier. Multiplier shows the relation between increase in income and increase in investment, or you can say like this, multiplier shows the how many times the income increases due to increase in investment. So this is the means this chapter, or you can say like this, means this chapter is completed. So I hope all of you have understood. In my next video we will discuss some numericals of chapter number 8. So please pause the video and note down this. Have a good day and thank you very much.